RJ45 connector. I'm going to show you how to put it on both ends. So what we're going to do first, we're going to strip back the cable. You can see you can use snips or the AT&T approved stripper that's attached to the crimper. On the right, you're going to see that he puts a little nick in the cable so he can use the string to peel it back. The reason to do that is because you're going to remove any of the shiners that might be right here on the cable. Now when you cut the cable, you're going to make sure that your connector has about the right length in there. If you cut it too long, you're going to have excess hanging out. If you cut it too short, your pins won't make it to the top. The pin out is used with the clip facing away, and you start from the left and count to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pin out is pair 1 is white green, pair 2 is green, pair 3 is white orange. I'm sorry, not pair, cable. Cable 4 is blue, 5 is white blue, 6 is orange, 7 is white brown, 8 is brown. That is on a 568A, and AT&T uses 568A. You'll see he's straightening them out on the right to make sure that they'll slide into the connector. You have to straighten them out or else they're going to go in crooked. Once you straighten them out, if you snip them, it makes them go in the connector a lot easier, just like you did on the left. Now they're all going to be nice and straight. Now he's going to put on the little boot that keeps them in line nicely for you. One other thing real quick before you crimp that down, make sure you look at your boot to make sure your boot has made it all in just how he has it. If the boot was not all the way in and where you crimp it down, it would hit the boot and not seal in the cable right. So that is done correctly. So on your left, you have your connector. You have it pinned in. You can look at your pins on the inside to verify you have them right. And we'll test it after it's done. And that's the install of making a cable with the RJ45 connectors on the ends.